Welcome to English Quizler, where we make learning English fun and exciting. Are you ready for the Guess the Antonym challenge? Test your knowledge with 40 quick-fire questions and see if you're a true word master. Before starting, please subscribe to our channel for more exciting quizzes. Can you guess the antonym for happy? Yes, the answer is sad. Well done. Let's see if you can guess the antonym for big. Small is the answer. What is the antonym for fast? The antonym is slow. Ready for the next one? The answer is dumb. Guess the correct antonym for easy. Yes, the correct antonym is hard. Well done! We've made it to question 5. You're doing great. Ready for this one? The answer is hot. Can you guess the antonym for angry? Yes, the answer is calm. Let's see if you can guess the antonym for small. Large is the answer. What is the antonym for kind? The antonym is cruel. Ready for the next one? The answer is energetic. Guess the correct antonym for funny. Yes, the correct antonym is serious. Can you guess the antonym for loud? The antonym is quiet. Let's see if you can guess the antonym for rich. Poor is the answer. What is the antonym for bright? The antonym is dark. Fantastic! Ready for the next one? The answer is dirty. Guess the correct antonym for strong. Yes, the correct antonym is weak. Can you guess the antonym for beautiful? The antonym is ugly. Let's see if you can guess the antonym for quick. Slow is the answer. What is the antonym for soft? The antonym is hard. Nice guess. Ready for the next one? The answer is light. Well done! We've made it to question 20. You're doing great. Ready for this one? The answer is cold. Can you guess the antonym for tall? The antonym is short. Let's see if you can guess the antonym for brave. Cowardly is the answer. What is the antonym for sad? The antonym is happy. Nice guess. Ready for the next one? The answer is expensive. Guess the correct antonym for old. Yes, the correct antonym is new. Can you guess the antonym for busy? The antonym is idle. Let's see if you can guess the antonym for wet. Dry is the answer. Guess the correct antonym for quiet. Yes, the correct antonym is noisy. Ready for the next one? The answer is thin. Well done! We've made it to question 30. You're doing great. The answer is active. Can you guess the antonym for safe? The antonym is dangerous. Let's see if you can guess the antonym for full. Empty is the answer. What is the antonym for fat? The antonym is thin. Nice guess. Ready for the next one? The answer is thick. Guess the correct antonym for near. Yes, the correct antonym is far. Can you guess the antonym for early? The antonym is late. Let's see if you can guess the antonym for hard. Soft is the answer. Guess the correct antonym for famous. Yes, the correct antonym is unknown. Ready for the final one? The answer is full. Time's up. How did you do? Did you smash all 40 questions, or did a few trip you up? Drop your score in the comments and let us know. And if you enjoyed this quiz, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a challenge from English Quizler. Fun quizzes, better English. See you in the next one. Happy quizzing!